Have you ever wondered what everything around you is made of? Your phone, the air, even you? It all comes down to one simple idea: matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. If it weighs something, or if it occupies even the tiniest amount of space, it is matter. Your chair? Matter. The water you drink? Matter. The air you can't see? Still matter. First, matter has mass, which means it's made of stuff. Second, matter takes up space. Even the air around you, though invisible, fills the entire room. And third, matter is made of tiny particles, atoms and molecules. Atoms are so incredibly small that millions of them could fit on the tip of a pin. Matter can appear in different forms, what we call states of matter. Solid has a fixed shape. Think of ice or metal. Liquid, no fixed shape, but it has a fixed volume. Water takes the shape of any container. Gas spreads out to fill all available space. Oxygen, steam, even the air you breathe. Bonus states also exist. Plasma, found in lightning and the sun. Bose-Einstein condensate, supercold atoms that behave like one single particle. Heat something up, or cool it down, and matter can transform. Solid to liquid, melting. Liquid to gas, evaporating. Gas to liquid, condensing. Liquid to solid, freezing. And the coolest one, solid directly to gas, sublimation. That's what happens with dry ice. Ready for some mind-blowing facts about matter? 99.9999% of an atom is empty space. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, its nucleus would be a tiny peanut in the center. You are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was created inside a star billions of years ago. A single teaspoon of a neutron star weighs more than a mountain. That's matter packed unbelievably tight. Matter makes up everything, the entire universe, from the smallest atom to the biggest galaxy. If you want more science explained simply, hit like, subscribe, and let's explore the universe together.